Welcome. Explain how to gift wrap a rectangular box. How many total faces are there? So here is a rectangular box. How would you gift wrap it? Well, first of all, you lay the paper down. Then you have to, the ends of it, that you wrap the paper around it. And then you have to cover the two ends of it. And then tape it, tape it, tape it. So how many total faces are there? Well, let's get my uh, pen. One, two, on the back side, on the bottom, the right side, and the left side. So there are 6 faces. So what we're going to be talking today is something called surface area. Surface area is the area that covers up something. It, like for example, if you have a box, you wrap it up with gift paper. That is called surface area. So by the end of the class, I'll be able to explain the definition of surface area to a partner. So discuss surface area. What do you think surface area is? Well, let me get my, oh, maybe I should tap right here. So total surface area is the area of all the faces of a solid figure combined. You find the area of each face and add the areas together. For example, right here in this box, it's all of this combined, the area of each rectangle combined. Real world, like you're painting a cylinder for a project, your gift wrapping involves surface area. Lateral surface area is the combined area of all of the faces without the bases. Do not include a basis for lateral. That means it's the side of the box. For example, if you go here, this picture is the front side, the back side, the right side, and the left side. Do not include the top of the box or the bottom of the box, the basis. So let's go back and look at this again. So for example, real world, you're painting a rectangular room or a house. So you're painting the walls, not the ceiling or the floor, or the label on a can of food. Because you cannot put label, paper label, on top of the can or the bottom of the can. If the instructions just say find the surface area, they mean the total surface area, unless there's a story that would make you think you shouldn't count some of the faces. So we are looking at net so that you can get surface area of shapes. The shape of the day today is rectangular prism. So this activity, you must finish the class. So in this activity, you'll be having all of these shapes. You will follow directions here. You're going to cut out the 6 faces of a box along the bow line. So you cut, 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 cut. Then you arrange the faces into a net so that you think will fold into a box. So a net is a flattened version of a 3D model. So this, if we tape it together, it should be a net. A net is flat. Do not make this 3D yet. Tape the net together on adjacent edges. Then you're going to label each face of your net with one of the following words: the top of the box, the bottom of the box, the front of the box, the back of the box, left side and right side. Let the top and bottom be the basis. Then you're going to find the area of each face of your net. So for example, what would the area of this be? 2 by 4 is 8. 2 by 4 is 8. 3 by 4 is 12. 3 by 4 is 12. 2 by 3 is 6. 2 by 3 is 6. Oh, I guess we can start doing this. So let's make it our, So you're going to write the total surface area on the front face. So the total surface area. So total mean, what's the total area? So this is 8, 8, as they are the same. These two look congruent. This is 12, 12. These two look congruent, so 6 and 6. So the total surface area, 8 plus 12 is 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. That's 40. 6 plus 6 is 12. So the total surface area is 52 square units. Then you're going to fold a net into a box like this. You're going to actually make this box. So here's the front side of the box, the right side of the box, the top of the box. So if this is the front side, will the back side be congruent? Yes, it will. If this is the right side of the box, will the left side be congruent? Yes, it is. If this is the top of the box, if the area of the top of the box is 12, what would the area of the bottom of the box be? It will also be 12. So the total area, surface is the surface, the faces, the total area is 52 square units. So in here, what is the length of one base? So let's go look at this. So in here, the length of one base is 4. What's the width of the base? 3. Base is like the bottom of it. Because the name is called rectangular prism, this tells you what to lay it down as, with the rectangle on the bottom. That tells you what the base is. So length is, short-term memory, the length is 4. The width is 3. What's the height of the prism? The height is 2. It connects to 2 bases. What is the total surface area? We found it. It was 52. So what is the lateral surface area? That means you cannot include the top or the bottom bases. It's all the side of it. There's 8 here. There's 6 here. If the front side has 8, the back side's area must be 8. If the right side is 6, the left side is 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 14. That means the lateral must be 28. And that is what we are learning today. A net is a flattened version of a 3D model. Can you put the net together in order to make a 3D model? And from that, you can find the total surface area and lateral surface area. Again, lateral surface area is the area of all of the faces combined. It's the lateral plus the 2 top and bottom bases. Lateral surface area are the side of it, the sides. That does not include the top, does not include the bottom. And surface area, that is surface area.